everyone, thanks for joining me today. I am being a bit naughty. I am delaying doing the hoovering because I wanted to have a look at my new Daphne's diary. Now this is the first time that I have actually bought Daphne's diary. I've seen it a lot of times and I've seen other crafters using Daphne's diary, but I'd not actually gone and got one, and this time I have, and I'm actually quite glad that I did. Now it's $5.99, so it's not horrific, but it does have quite a few things that you can use in your projects. So I thought, rather than me sit downstairs and look through it myself, I thought I could go through it with you, so that, you know, if you've never bought a Daphne's diary before, and you've thought about it, this might make your mind up one way or the other. So I'm supposed to be doing the hoovering and housework, but I thought, no, I've had the rest of the day to do that, so I thought I'd come and spend a little bit of time with you guys and naughty jolly. Right, to move, because I want to show this off. So firstly, look at the front cover. The front cover is just beautiful, you know, very colourful. It's this kind of watercolour look, beautiful image on here, and, you know, little bits. And I've seen other crafters using Daphne's diary and cutting bits and pieces, packing in out of it, and actually there's a lot of stop it. He's chewing my camera stand. You know, so even little things like this little tag here would be super cute, and this tag here, and then you've got the rabbit on the front, which is just gorgeous. And then you've got this watering can and little, you know, little bits like the little chicken and eggs and cake and these little birdie houses and paintbrushes and these flowers. So that's just the front cover. So when you open it up, you know, you've got lots of things in here. So, you know, the Daphne's diary belongs to, and these gorgeous images here. And look at this beautiful print on here. Just love the colours, really love the colours, and you know, these are just gorgeous. I mean, you know, you could cut this out, a spring in my step. You can't see, but just pretty. And then you've got obviously the index of things, so you've got these little pictures that you could cut out, and I've actually found some really cool projects in here. So, you know, you've got lots of nice pages that you can use in your journals to start with. So these I would probably use as journal pages and just, you know, rip them out and just fold them over. But you have got projects in here like draw your own chair. Shows you how to draw a chair. And then you've got recipes in here. So I think there's a lot to do, as well as the things that you can cut out. Lots of different images. You know, fun things. Look at this little llama. Oh, look. My animal tail. And then you've got a nice little cute picture of a cat. And these are nice pages. And then you've got cute little place cards. So if you don't want to cut it up for your journals, you can actually do the projects that are in here. So you've got cute little Easter place cards that you can actually cut out and you know, use. But what I would do is I would cut these out and have them as little cards in a journal. I mean, there's just, you know, quite a few of them here, a few pages of them. And then make a facial cleanser using oats. So these would be fun to actually cut out and fold and slip in a journal, so that whoever got the journal would have a little thing there that they could do. So this is a facial cleanser. I'm not so sure if I would put that on my face, but you never know till you tried it. So there are the there's the recipes to make a facial cleanser. Oh, and this I thought was quite interesting. I think this is lovely. What a lovely page to start with, you know, with all these eggs. But this is who exactly, how do you like to eat your eggs, and what that says about you. So you have fried eggs, scrambled eggs, omelettes, or poached egg. Well, I would have a poached egg. So let's see what that says about me. There's a high chance that people who prefer a poached egg are very happy. You are extroverted and content with who you are and with your life. You enjoy your work or find a lot of fulfillment in your hobbies. You have a large social network and you love doing fun things with your family and friends. You are almost always cheerful, and that means that people really like spending time with you. You manage to make everyone around you feel good. Oh, well, I think some of that's true. At the moment, I'm not always happy. I try to be, but I do try. Everyone says that I'm funny. So, which egg are you? So what? Yeah, my second choice would have been fried egg, actually. If you like your eggs fried like Barney and Rob, you're probably creative and curious. You have a good imagination and you love to experiment. If you like to dip your bread in the egg yolk, you're stable and quite traditional in general. It's often the case that men prefer fried eggs, preferably with some bacon too. I think the poached is probably more me. Right, let's see if you're scrambled. If you prefer to whisk your yolk and white together to make scrambled egg, you are independent and self-sufficient person. That's something that's important to you. You know what you want, and your enthusiasm means you are able to inspire others to work toward your goals too. Your passion is obvious and you work really hard as well. You are also flexible and creative. You like to be surrounded by other people, but you are equally happy on your own. You are not afraid of being the centre of attention if that's how things turn out, but you prefer to leave the stage for others. No, I like to be on the stage. Right, omelettes, probably my least favourite. Do you enjoy omelettes most of all? If so, you are probably tidy and organised. Well, that is definitely not me. You have a lot of discipline. No, I don't. You know what you want, and once you get something in your head, you'll make sure you turn it into a reality. You are adventurous and not afraid to take risks. People see you as someone with a strong personality. You have self-confidence and you trust that things are going to go well. If it doesn't turn out that way, sometimes you will simply come up with a quick solution to solve the problem. Then you've got hard-boiled. I like dippy, actually. If you like a hard-boiled egg like Anne and I, then you are a bit impulsive and maybe careless. You find it difficult to organise things and you don't enjoy planning. If you eat your egg with a spoon, it means you like to enjoy life, whereas people who peel their boiled egg are a bit more self-willed and stubborn. So my first choice would have been poached eggs, then boiled egg. So yeah, that does sound a little bit like me, but I like to dip my egg. Excuse me. Then we have these make your own origami birds. So you've got a little thing here to make little birdies, and you've got some paper here to do them with. If not, you've got paper to use in a project. What would Auntie Cat do? So you've got lots of different things, lots of nice little pictures. These are really lovely. And you've got like borders and bits that you can rip. Oh, are they Brussels sprouts? Oh no, they're not Brussels sprouts. What are they called? Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. Never even heard of kohlrabi. I thought they were Brussels. I do not like Brussels. And then you've got 5 tips to help you eat less sugar. I need that one. And a day in my life. So you've got little prompt sort of things to do, to write down. You know, if you want to put something in your journal, something to keep you busy and fill in. Then you've got lots of nice pictures. This lovely flip with these rabbits on. So this would be cute to fussy cut. And this, but it's a bit big. How sweet are these rabbits? They're very sweet. And then you've got like little calendar day things here. Lovely pages of colourful pictures. Interesting little things that they've put in here. Just lovely colourful pages. Look at that butterfly. How gorgeous. And some nice little flower pictures that you could cut out. And then what's this? It's a dress fits. How to stimulate your creativity and unwind. I wanted to spend a little while being creative, but I wasn't really feeling inspired. Drawing some patterns really helped stimulate my creativity. It was fantastic. Oh. Then we've got a little colouring sheet here that you can colour in. So we could put that in a journal. And then things how to decorate your Easter table. But lots of, you know, cute things to cut out, really. How to make wool on the wall, like this hanging thing. So there's lots of projects in here, lots of beautiful pages, some nice sort of tags. I mean, look at this beautiful page and these lovely pictures here. Lots of tags. I like the tags in here. That's a beautiful page, that one. Isn't this gorgeous? Facts about herbs, and then you've got this little pull-out herb book, which, you know, you could use those pages somewhere because they've got like journaling spots there. And then, oh, she's cute, isn't she? These cute images. Friends for life. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, embroidered flower. I mean, look at these. Just gorgeous bits that you can cut out to put in your journals. I like that chair, actually. Very funky. Oh, love this. Look at all this embroidery bits that you could rip out. Oh, I can't wait to get ripping. Then we've got lots of Easter eggs. I think it is definitely worth the money because you've got so many, you know, things here that you can use. I've already got lots of ideas in my head. What are you grateful for now? It's funny because, where is it? I brought it up yesterday and it's really weird. When mine and Charmin's first Valentine's, I made a jar, Reasons Why I Love You. And in here, there are all of these bits of paper. And everyone has a reason why I love him. Let's see if we can read one. This says, the way that it's not hard to love you. I love every single thing about you. So, you know, if we ever forget why we love him, not that I do, but, you know, I always say to him when he's grumpy, pick one out. Oh, the way you kiss. I bet I'm doing more. So, yes, I was going to do a gratitude jar, and I was going to suggest to you at home that especially in this time at the moment, there are so many things that I've thought of that I'm grateful for and we take for granted. So I was going to do a gratitude jar, and I like the way that they've rolled the pieces of paper up and put some string round. So I think I definitely will be doing that for Kay and the kids and everyone that I love. I will be doing a gratitude jar. So that's quite funny because I did this, oh my gosh, 2 years ago for Charmin. So it's funny how I looked in here and they have the gratitude jar. Isn't that lovely? Great idea. Then we've got some recipes. I like this one here, egg muffins. Oh, carrot cake. I like that one too. I will definitely be cutting this out. I'm putting this somewhere so I can follow this. Oh, the recipe cards. The recipe's on the other side. So that'd be good to put in a journal. Then you've got these lovely cute little bags. A bag that you can make. Creamy carrots and hummus. Hummus. I love hummus, but hummus does not love me. I cannot eat lentils. I love hummus. Chickpeas, I should say, but I can't eat lentils either. So yes, right, I got sidetracked. This I want to do with the kids when we get back to normal life. And look, they can paint on the eggs and then put cress in them for their hair. So this is a great one. I think I might even send a photo of this to Kay because it might be something she can do with the kids at home. But I even like the pictures to put in a journal. Ways to relax and reflect on things. Easter hunt, egg hunt, which we won't be, well, I don't know. Maybe kids will probably still be able to do that in their own gardens. I like these little tassely pom-pom things. Aren't they cute? I don't know if you can see that. They're like little tassel pom-pom things. And then more sort of things, colouring pages. This is a beautiful, colourful page. Oh, this This is a designer, okay? Now, she designs the most amazing dresses. Look at this dress. It's like book pages. I don't know if you can see it properly. How stunning is that? And then this fairy tale dress. Just gorgeous. I mean, how talented is that? I mean, look at these beautiful, beautiful dresses. Oh, just gorgeous. And then you have some Easter treat little things to make. There's a few of those in there. And then how to do the perfect egg. Look, tells you how to do it. Wow. This would be quite handy to have, actually. Look, 1 minute your egg is still completely raw. Do not eat it. 2 minutes still raw. Don't eat it. 3 minutes your egg is very soft boiled. Ooh, too runny. 4 minutes, now you have a good soft boiled egg. 5 minutes your egg is semi soft boiled. That's how I like it, semi soft boiled. 6 minutes still semi soft boiled. 7 minutes your egg is hard boiled. 8 minutes you'll now have a very hard boiled egg. And 9 minutes, if you have a very fresh egg, it will only be hard boiled now. 10 minutes and over boiled egg. Not as tasty anymore. That's really cool. I like that. So yes, that is Daphne's diary, and I really, really love it. And look at the back. The back is just beautiful. So there are lots of projects in here, but lots of fun bits and pieces to also cut out, and lots of lovely information things. And it feels good. It's got like a matte, oh, kind of yummy feel to it. So that is Daphne's diary, and I hopefully will be using it in some upcoming projects in my journals. We shall have to see, but isn't it lovely? I might have to have a Daphne's diary day and you know, do something with, but I thought I would show you, as I was going to have a flip through anyway to see what you thought about it. So thanks for watching. I will see you later on today. Take care. Please like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye.